Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're breaking down how to actually beat the game in Loop Hero in 2025. Whether you've been looping endlessly or stuck on a boss, this guide will walk you through the essential to conquer the final chapter and wrap up the game. First up, build your base wisely. Before you even think about bosses, you need a strong camp setup. Prioritize Smithy, Alchemist Attain, and Watchtower. This gives you extra gear, potions, and ranged backup during lobs. Upgrade them as much as possible to boost survival. Next, choose the right class. The Necromor is widely considered the base for boss fights because of its army of skeletons supporting it. But if you prefer aggressively speed, the Roach can stack insane damage with the right gear. Use what fits your style, but optimize gear every loop. Now for the card deck. Go to his groves, vampire missions, spider cocoons, and cemeteries to farm mobs and gears. Add treasures, meadowns, and mountains to keep your health and resource up. Just make sure you don't overpopulate the pass before you're ready to summon the boss. Boss fights are triggered by filling the loop gorge with the playstyles, so pace yourself. Farm loops early on and only summons the boss when you have strong gears, max points, and full heals. Don't rush it. For the Lich and late bosses, poisoning matters. Clear surrounding tiles before placing your camp tile, especially if it's a Lich. Since he spawns places around his area, destroy those palaces to reduce his power. Finally, don't forget to retreat smart. If you know how you're going to die, retreat at the campfire to save all your loot. Losing half your inventory can set you back massively. And there you have it. Focus on the base upgrades, card synergy, and smart boss trips, and you'll finally beat Loop Hero. If this helped you crush those loops, make sure to like the video, drop your favorite class in the comments, and subscribe for more deep dive game guides. Catch you in the next one.